Hey, Drew, what you got over there?
When you're a quarterback, your offensive linemen protect you from everything.
We've always loved hosting dinners for the guys that kept Drew safe.
To protect our home, just like my O-line did for me, we have a home warranty from HomeSafe.
HomeSafe makes it simple to cover over 20 home systems and appliances.
You can easily call or file a claim online 24 hours a day.
Plus, HomeSafe has a nationwide network of thousands of pre-screened technicians.
Now that's my kind of protection.
HomeSafe plans are customizable, affordable, and your price is locked in as long as you cover your home.
With HomeSafe, if a covered repair can't be fixed, they'll help replace it.
We trust HomeSafe, so should you.
Just like my O-line, HomeSafe really is the best protection I've ever had. Call now.
Protect your home like a pro. Call HomeSafe today for your free quote and lock in your customized plan today. 800-894-8775. That's 800-894-8775.